solid waste management plant on Kalangut Saligaon plateau was set up after taking all the clearances. That is, clearance under environment impact assessment was done. Secondly, environmental clearance we got. Public hearing was there. Then we got the place designated as industrial place. Change of this thing. It was first orchard, from there it became an industrial, but it is touching the industrial estate. Now there were genuine problems of people of Warda, Saipeng, parts of Pilen, Saligaon, that the plant was getting foul smell, which I was fully aware, because the 100-ton capacity plant was getting 200 tons, 220, 230 tons a day. How 27 panchayats were designated to bring the waste, and besides 27 panchayats, the waste used to come from entire beach, that is the shacks, the tourism shacks, the wet and dry waste of the tourism shacks used to come directly in the plant by the contractor appointed by the tourism department. So in the season the waste used to go up. Even in the restaurants, the Panjim had a problem. So Panjim additional 10 tons, Taligaon another 5 tons used to also come there. So the waste which was coming in the plant was exceeding the capacity of 100 tons. It used to come around 200 tons. So because of this, the GWMC decided that there should be a increase in capacity. Now how much? So we were receiving 180, 190 tons, 200 tons of it. So we decided to make it 250. So when we decided to make it 250, we sent a proposal to the cabinet, and cabinet approved it before I could become a minister. I was the director of GWMC, Goa Waste Management Corporation. So I was fully aware that at that particular time, in the meeting of GWMC, I had raised the objection. You can ask anybody from the directors of GWMC, including Eknath was the director. I said that a similar plant was proposed in South Goa. It needs to start. That is Kakora. A plant at Bangini has to start to cater to Tiswadi and parts of Ponda Taluka. So if these plants do not come, then I do not agree with the expansion. So expansion was approved in 2019 in January or February, January 2019, when I was not a minister, and now it is ratified by us when I became the minister. But the expansion has to take place. So before expansion, we want Kakora to get ready. I want Bangeni to start. I want, we have proposed one plant for the Salset area at Verna, industrial estate, but there is opposition over there. So opposition is all over. So for that, are we going to go on taking the wet garbage without having the capacity? No. So we will take people of Saligaon, people of Pilen in confidence before we actually expand the plant. This plant is only for North Goa coastal belt, the 27 panchayats. The other waste has to go to Kakora, the other waste has to go to proposed Verna plant or to Bangeni. We cannot take the waste of entire Goa. So now the second plant is coming up. So once the second plant has started work, I am satisfied. And also the money is come from NABARD, who is financing the project, and 25% of the project is being financed by the person who has got it under the tender. So let us wait. Let us not be in a hurry to accuse one another. And I strongly believe that this is nothing but a political revival which these politicians are thinking, that they will get revived in the name of garbage. In the name of garbage, political garbage can never get revived. गार्बेजीच्या नांवान पॉलिटिकल जे ओपोनंट आहा आमचे, जावं ते आग्नेल फेर्नांदीस आदले आमदार, जयेश साळगांवकार आतांचो आमदार जाला पळय, तो आमदार झेडपीक पडलेलो मनीस आमदार जाला. रिजन आहा तेका, सगळे सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक जाणा. ते आतां झगडटा नॉट फॉर द पीपल, दे आर फायटींग फॉर देअर सेल्फ interest. And this interest is what? It is only because of survival. They want to survive in politics. So तो घुसला भितर, आग्नेल घुसला आनी कोण कोण खूब जाण घुसले ते. पॉलिटिशियन जे पडलेले घुसल्या तांकां लोक आनीक वयर काडचे ना, कित्याक ते आसतना तो प्लांट जाला. हांव नांवां सगळ्यांची घेयना, ते आसतना ते सगळे प्लांट जाला. प्लांट आमी केला आमचे कोस्टल बेल्टा खातीर, नाजाल्यार गार्बेज हिंगा थिंगा पडटाली. आयज नॉर्थ गोवा कोस्टल बेल्टाक गार्बेज हिंगा क्लिनस्ट पंचायत म्हणून अंजुना पंचायतीक अवॉर्ड मेळला. कित्याक मेळला? बिकॉज दे रियलायज दॅट इफ दे कीप द पंचायत एरिया क्लीन, दे वील गेट गुड कस्टमर्स. People will feel nice, their own neighbors will feel nice, they themselves will feel nice that our village is clean. So we have to keep the village clean. Let us not play dirty politics and politics of just to score brownie points. The politicians should not accuse one another in the name of garbage. गार्बेजीचेर जे मनीस पॉलिटिक्स करतले तांकां पॉलिटिकल गार्बेज म्हणून लोक रिजेक्ट करतले. फुडें बसून केल्ले आहा तांकां रिजेक्ट, फुडें आनी करतले. सो आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट द पीपल नॉट टू कम अंडर देअर टॉक्स, म्हणजे नॉट टू गेट फुल्ली दिस थिंग कन्विन्स बाय देअर टॉक्स, बिकॉज देअर टॉक्स आर डुप्लिकेट. हे मनीसूच डुप्लिकेट. तेंचे आनीक टॉक्स तुमी आयकनाका. आमी रावया. हांवूय जाणा की लोकांक त्रास जाता म्हणून. काकोरा प्लांट रेडी जावनी, आनीकूय प्लांट चे काम स्टार्ट करूया. तेजे उपरांत कितलो वाडोवंक जाय तितलोच वाडोवया. आतां कितली गार्बेज येता, लेट अस स्टडी. विल टेक द देर इज अ कमिटी सेटअप बाय द हायकोर्ट, बाय नॅशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्युनल. ते कमिटीकूच कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवया कितलो वाडोवपाक जाय. तेजो डायजेस्टर वाडोवचोच पडटलो. 100 टन्साचे सगळा येता गार्बेज जाल्यार आनीक डायजेस्टर वाडोवपाची गरज ना, नाजाल्यार डायजेस्टर वाडोवचो पडटलो. नॉर्थ गोवा कोस्टल बेल्ट 27 पंचायतीची गार्बेज इन सीजन एंड ऑफ सीजन इट क्रॉसीस 130 टन्स, 140 टन्स. सो आमकां करूंकूच जाय तें, वाडोवपाकूच जाय. पूण कितलो वाडोवया? वील टेक द पीपल एंड द कमिटी ऑल्सो इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स. डोंट थिंक दॅट आय एम जस्ट गोइंग टू बुलडोज युअर थॉट्स. तुमी जे सांगलां आमकां, तुमी जे एप्रिहेन्शन केलां, तुमी जे म्हटलां की आमकां त्रास जातले, तुमकां आमी कशेंच बुलडोज करचे ना, तुमकां आमी सायडीक दवरचे ना. पूण पॉलिटिशनांक, हे जे पॉलिटिशियन आहा जे आपलो फायदो चिंता, जे आपले सर्वायवल चिंता, हेंचे आयकून तुमी करिनाका. हेणी कांय बरें करूंक ना गोंयचे, हेणी आपलें बरें केलां. सो आपल्या सर्वायवला खातीर हे हिंगा थिंगा उडयो मारून हे दीस काडटात. सो तेंचे आयकून तुमचें कांय बरें जावचें ना. तुमी मेमोरंडम दिता म्हणून आमी आयकलेलें आहा चीफ मिनिस्टराक म्हाज्या ऑफिसाक. वी वील हॅव अ मिटींग वीथ यू. वी वील नॉट just ignore your memorandum. We will have a meeting with you, and definitely we will come out with the best solution for Goa and Goans. घाण रस्त्यार एक पडची न्हू, घाण नल्ल्यान पडची न्हू, घाण पोंडार वचून पडची न्हू, तोय आहा ती आमची घाण. खंयचे दोंगरार व्हरून उडोवची न्हू. एक टायमार शिवोलचे दोंगरार आख्खी गार्बेज उडयताले, पोर्राचे दोंगरार आख्खी गार्बेज उडयता. हेच गार्बेज प्लांट आतां जाला थिंगा more than 2 lakh tons of garbage was there. आमी ट्रीट केल्ली आहा ती, येवन पळया तुमी. सो हांव म्हणटा लोकांक सांगता की तुमी हे जे पॉलिटिशियन उडयो मारता म्हणून तुमी तेंच्या वांगडा उडयो मारिनाका. तुमी सुशेगाद रावा. वी आर देर. वी वील डेफिनेटली look into your suggestions, your memorandum, and we will solve the issue in a nice way. Where it will be practical for you also will say yes, ह्या सरकारान काम बरें केलें. कित्याक आमी हो प्लांट बांदला नांव पिड्यार करूंक न्हू. आमी प्लांट बांदला सो दॅट ऑल द गार्बेज ऑफ दीस कोस्टल बेल्ट कम्स इन वन प्लेस. हेंच आमचें इंटेन्शन आसलें.